Hi, and today we're going to talk about what you should expect when you come visit us here at Watford Bathrooms and Kitchens. So there are a few stages and a few processes to this, but how it will generally start is on day one, everyone's excited, the installation team have turned up at your house with the project manager, and what they do, it's all about setting out on first day. It's all about making sure we're doing all the right protection, we're laying the right flooring down to cover the carpets, hardwood floors, tiled floors, whatever that process is, it's all about making sure we're setting out and protecting first, and then the work can begin. The noisy bit of the knocking out, it does get quite dusty, we have to remember that, but the whole process will carry on, as we know. On a kitchen, on average, between 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the size of it. But during this process, what you'll do is you'll get a visit from the designer once a week. You'll get a visit from the project manager twice a week, generally on a Monday and a Friday. And then during the week, you'll also get regular calls from the customer service team, just to make sure you're still happy, everyone's treating your home correctly, you feel comfortable with the installation team. But that's a real big process, and this goes up throughout the whole 2 to 4 weeks continuously until we get right to the end when the installation team say they've finished, they're all done and dusted. So that's when the project manager will come along on site, go through it with you, make sure you're 100% happy. If you're not, we might have to do some snagging. I'm afraid it's part and parcel of this industry, but obviously we minimise that with the so many visits from the project manager and the customer service team and the designer throughout the whole process. So once that snagging's done, it's all about the sign off. This is where the project manager will come along with the designer, make sure we're happy, we can take loads of photos, we can see that big beam of a smile on your face. So the final part of the jigsaw is when it comes to you and wanting to be brave enough, because you're so excited about your new kitchen installation, is to do a video testimonial. But if you're not going to do a video one, a Google review, Facebook review, or just a review for the website is just amazing, because that's what gives us the most satisfaction out here at Watford Bathrooms and Kitchens, knowing that you're so happy with the end result that you've received.